CG101 here, and I'm with my good friend Cheyenne. Say hi, Cheyenne. Hello! And we are going to watch some fireworks after this guy stopped talking.
In 2 games, 2 sellouts. Thank you guys so very, very much. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Thank you guys.
There we go. This being one good video.
It's about that time. You guys have voted. You want to listen.
Ready?
To the top hits mix. So that's what we're going to hear during our fireworks show. Are you guys ready for some fireworks?
No!
I know I've been listening to you guys all night. I know you guys can get louder than that. I want everyone in the Bluebell district to hear you guys. Are you guys ready for some fireworks?
No!
All right, there it is. Everyone help me count it down. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Yeah! Yeah! Going on YouTube. I think this is the Dude, this is going YouTube. Oh! Whoa! YouTube. I'm gonna post it to my friends. Ooh, that's scared of everyone. Hey, look at all the balls. Hey guys, that was the best epic firework ever. What's that, Cheyenne? Ella! And I'm gonna end this video right here, and I hope you liked the fireworks show. And it was amazing! So comment, subscribe, and all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.